how could humans live on Mars? If Earth gave us life, Mars might just be where we learn how to survive. But turning a dead planet into our second home? That's not science fiction anymore. It's a real mission. Colonizing Mars isn't just about landing there, it's about living there. And surviving on the red planet means mastering some of the toughest challenges we've ever faced. First, transportation. We'll need reliable rockets that can carry humans, equipment, and cargo repeatedly. SpaceX's Starship is already being designed for this very mission, capable of transporting up to 100 passengers at a time. Next, habitats. Martian temperatures can drop to -80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. We'll need pressurized living modules, possibly made from Martian regolith, the planet's soil, to protect colonists from radiation and extreme weather. Water? We can't bring it all, so we'll rely on ice mining beneath the surface and advanced purification systems to recycle every drop. Food? Welcome to space farming. Hydroponic and aeroponic systems will grow crops without soil, using minimal water, powered by solar panels or nuclear energy. And speaking of energy, we'll need compact, long-lasting power sources, like NASA's kilopower nuclear reactors or flexible solar grids, to support life and technology 24/7. Lastly, AI and robotics. Before we arrive, robots will prep the site, building shelters, laying cables, and scouting terrain. Once humans are there, AI will manage life support systems, medical emergencies, and even assist with scientific research. So while most people think of AI as writing essays or generating images, the truth is, it's also out there powering a greener planet. Subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thank you.